The Cleancraft Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner WETCAT 141Rs. Tool M Class. Powerful, robust, and equipped with automatic filter cleaning. Holders for hose, power cable, and suction pipes keep things organized. Swivel casters make maneuvering easier, and a parking brake allows for secure placement. It is designed for hazardous dusts and is suitable for vacuuming hardwood, stucco, paints, and concrete. The compact, handy design makes it ideal for industrial, craft, and construction sites. An integrated socket allows you to connect power tools. The automatic start function turns the vacuum on automatically when the connected device is switched on. The suction power can be conveniently adjusted using a rotary knob. The automatic filter cleaning allows you to work without interruptions and with consistently high suction power. An M-Class flat pleated filter with a filter surface of 5,000 square centimeters ensures reliable filtration. A 20-liter fleece filter bag and a total container volume of 41 liters are available. The vacuum is also suitable for wet vacuuming and can reliably pick up liquids. The elastic and flexible suction hose withstands heavy loads. Optional accessories such as a transport handle or box holder support the organized transport of various tools. The Cleancraft WETCAT 141Rs, Tool M Class, compact, well-designed, and professionally equipped.